If you see this in nature, run. The ocean pulls back fast, tsunami incoming, you see a cone-shaped cloud dropping from the sky, tornado, find shelter now. Bright blue rings on a sea creature, that's a blue-ringed octopus, and one bite can kill you in minutes. Touching weird foam on a tree, it's not soap, it's spitbug eggs, disgusting and toxic. A bear stands up, he's not waving. You're dead if you don't move slowly backward. But here's the craziest one. If the forest suddenly goes silent, get out. That means a predator's nearby, possibly a cougar, or worse. Comment "run" if your survival instincts just kicked in, and subscribe before nature takes you out.